Before buying a Singer 4423 sewing machine, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Real buyers are definitely talking about how some machines promise the world but don't deliver when it comes to durability and performance. Product number 2, Singer Heavy Duty 4423. Next up is the Singer Heavy Duty 4423, retailing for $209.99. What grabbed my attention here is its impressive speed and robust construction. If you want a sewing machine that can tackle tough fabrics with ease, this is worth a serious look. The 4423 boasts an incredible maximum sewing speed of 1,100 stitches per minute. Plus, it has 23 built-in stitches that cover 97 stitch applications. This means you can transition from basic sewing to decorative projects without switching machines. The heavy-duty metal frame adds stability, ensuring you get consistent results every time. With over 21,100 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, people are clearly satisfied. However, some users noted that it can be a bit noisy at higher speeds. But for most, the speed and reliability outweigh this minor annoyance. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful machine for heavy fabrics. Skip this one if noise is a major concern for your sewing space. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who like a splash of color. Product number 3, Singer HD 4423 Meltwater Blue. Now let's check out the Meltwater Blue version of the Singer HD 4423, priced at $239.99. This caught my eye not just for its vibrant color, but for its durable design and impressive features. If you want a stylish sewing machine that doesn't compromise performance, this is worth a serious look. It's designed for heavy-duty projects, handling thick fabrics like denim and leather with ease. The automatic needle threader is a real lifesaver, eliminating the frustration of threading the needle. With 97 stitch applications available, you can tackle anything from basic seams to intricate designs. The 4.5-star rating from over 21,100 reviews speaks volumes about its reliability. That said, some users mentioned it could be a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, if you have a dedicated sewing space, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's built to last, which is a huge plus for frequent sewists. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful machine that also looks good on your desk. Skip this one if you're tight on space or need something more portable. Now, if you're after something a bit more budget-friendly without sacrificing quality, the next product might just fit the bill. Product number 4, Singer Heavy Duty 4411 Gray. Coming in next is the Singer Heavy Duty 4411, available for $189.99. This one's a classic that's been popular with sewists for a while. If you want a reliable machine that can handle a variety of fabrics without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. It's got 69 stitch applications, giving you options for both basic and decorative sewing. Plus, the heavy-duty metal frame ensures durability and stability. This machine has a solid 4.5-star rating from 9,200 reviews, showing it's well-loved. However, some users found the 4-step buttonhole feature less convenient than automatic options. Here's my perspective: if you're okay with a little extra effort for a lower price, this shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, sturdy machine for everyday sewing. Skip this one if you need an advanced buttonhole feature. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more flair, let's wrap up with a fun choice. Product number 5, Singer Heavy Duty 4411 Pink. Finally, let's talk about the special edition Pink Singer Heavy Duty 4411, priced at $229.99. This eye-catching machine offers power and style at the same time. If you want a sewing machine that stands out while still delivering performance, this is worth a serious look. Its vibrant pink design makes it a fun addition to any sewing area. Plus, the included accessory kit adds fantastic value, giving you everything you need to start sewing right away. With a 4.5-star rating from over 9,200 reviews, it's a hit among users. But a few buyers mentioned that the pink color might not be for everyone. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who loves to express your individuality, this could be a perfect match. It's functional and fun, making sewing more enjoyable. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful machine with a unique design. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional look for your sewing tools. Product number 1, Foot Pedal Power Cord Replacement. Let's kick things off with the Foot Pedal Power Cord Replacement from POANES. Priced at $18.99, this replacement part caught my eye because it's compatible with a wide range of Singer models, including the 4423. If you want to get your sewing machine back up and running smoothly, this is worth a serious look. So here's why this product matters for you. This foot pedal features variable speed control, meaning you can adjust your sewing pace according to your project needs. If you've ever struggled with an unresponsive foot pedal, you know how frustrating that can be. Plus, it's designed with safety in mind, having passed rigorous pressure tests and certified compliance like ETL and CE. With over 1,400 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clear this has helped many users. Now, I did find a few complaints about the pedal being a bit sensitive for some users. Here's the thing though, if you're careful and take your time, it's manageable. But if you're someone who prefers a more heavy-duty feel, this might not be your ideal choice. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable and reliable replacement for your Singer machine. Skip this one if you're looking for a more robust pedal experience. Now, if that sensitivity bothered you, this next one might take a completely different approach. So there you have it, 5 solid options for the Singer 4423 sewing machine lineup. From the practical foot pedal power cord replacement to the stylish pink heavy-duty 4411, each has its strengths. Whether you need a budget-friendly choice or a vibrant design, there's something here for every sewist. Happy sewing!